Hey y'all, it's Kira. Welcome back to my channel, As Told by Kira. I'm back and I'm here with a new video, and today I'm going to be styling this wig. I received this wig from Love Me Hair, and it was a 10-inch curly wig with a bang. I did do a rod set on it because I was going for kind of like a late 60s, early 70s retro type of look, and I think I got what I wanted with it. So if you want to see how I styled this wig, how it looks when it comes straight out the package, maybe you just bought it or you're thinking about buying it, then definitely keep watching. Okay, so my package came super quickly from Love Me Hair. Their packaging is always so nice. Inside the package, they gave me a lot of goodies. This is the wig. It comes in its own dust bag, which I think is great for, just keeping the curls. So inside this package, they gave me some fake nails. They gave me some lashes. I got some hoops. I got this really cute Love Me hairpin that's kind of like bedazzled, and this phone ring, along with this comb that I received in my other package from Love Me Hair. So this is what the hair looks straight out of the package. I didn't do anything to the wig here. I just kind of put it on the mannequin head. It does come in a dust bag, but every curly girl knows that if your hair is kind of like pressed down, the curls are pressed down for a long period of time, they're gonna kind of lose their shape. So I don't really think there's a workaround when sending this. So the wig definitely has potential, but I wanted to see how the curls look, when forming them straight from washing them. So the first thing I did was pick out the hair because I just wanted to see how big it got. Honestly, I was just curious. And then I shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned the hair, and this is how the wig look straight after shampooing and deep conditioning. The curls were so juicy and so bouncy. I think that the quality of the hair was amazing. And this is me just kind of touching the curls because I really couldn't believe how much they just soaked up the water and how hydrated they were. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and put on the wig. Last night I did a roller set. It's mostly these kind of turquoise bigger rollers, but then I did some rollers that were slightly bigger. So some people are probably gonna be like, why didn't you just do a wash and go? Why didn't you just leave it? It's heavy. And I definitely could have. I'm putting the comb in the back of my head. It has one comb. This is a comb, so I'm flipping it kind of under. I have a wig cap on. Flipping it under just to secure it. It's not probably gonna fly off your head. I don't know if you're watching this and it's your first time doing a wig. This is very beginner friendly, but it's probably not gonna fly off your head. So I'm just gonna take it out and pull to break the cast. But some people are probably gonna ask me why did I do a rod set essentially when I could have just did a wash and go? And I could have just did a wash and go. But one, I wanted this big 70s hair because when I saw the length of the wig, I was like, yeah, that's what I want to go for. And two, when you do rod sets on wigs that are still curly, not just straight, it comes out looking a little bit better. I feel like if you do a rod set on straight hair, it's not the vibe. And then three, honestly, it's not that hard. If you have natural hair, I'm talking 3C and up, 3C, 4A, 4B, 4C. Honestly, it's not that hard to do rod sets on this hair that is 3B, 3A maybe, because it's just easier. It doesn't tangle as much. Also, I didn't want to put too much heat on this hair or anything. This is still a curly wig, so I wanted to preserve the curliness as much as possible, keep the hair healthy. I try to treat my wigs kind of similar to my own hair. I try to make sure that I'm deep conditioning. I deep condition this wig. I make sure she's okay, ready to go. Those are big curls. I should have did some more of the magenta ones because that's actually kind of pretty. All right, well, I know that for next time. I feel like I look like Betty Boop. Let me tell y'all, that was an emotional experience. I was in the bathroom mirror talking about turn the wigs around. So I'm gonna quickly give you kind of like a rundown of this wig. This wig is 10 inches and it is a kind of deep wave, loose curl type of wig. I think that the hair is like super soft. It doesn't have much of a smell, maybe just like a natural hair smell. It wasn't dyed to my knowledge. I don't think I saw any dye run out with this wig, and I did with another wig that I received from this company, so no dye in this wig. There is shedding. This hair does shed, and I kind of think that it has to do with the cap construction. It might just be because this is there's like no lace. This is just like a full cap wig, so I'm not sure if that has to do with why there might be shedding. But yeah, overall I think this wig is super nice. It's versatile, it's easy to work with, no tangles at all, and I definitely do recommend it. Yeah, I think it came out super cute. See? Honestly, I feel like the back of the wig is not my problem, but I will show you the back. Fully stretched. It is kind of like, it's not with that length, but it is a good length. I think it came out super cute. I wanted to go for something like retro and cutesy, so this is where I'm at with it. That's all I have for this video. Thanks so much for watching and for sticking with me. If you made it to the end, then you might as well subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below and like this video so that I know that you want to see more wig videos. But yeah, y'all, that's all I have for this video. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!